Normally a blue ocean is empty because nobody's watching. But the Excel and productivity category is the exact opposite. Demand is massive, it's empty because almost nobody is making the content. That's why it's a blue ocean that still pulls 50,000 to 500,000 views. Today we break that paradox down with data, and show why entering now is an advantage. The category, Excel and productivity. Let's look at the data. CPM stays at $10 to $18 in both 2025 and 2026. RPM holds at $7 to $10. That flatness is actually a strength, it means ad rates are stable. Compared to insurance at 38 or finance at 45, the rate is lower. But look closer. Saturation, blue ocean 2 years running. Production difficulty, low. Fully faceless. And average views of 50,000 to 500,000. The rate is mid-tier, but the entry cost and the competition are rock bottom. That combination is the whole story. Start with the global benchmark. Layla Garani, 2 million subscribers. Excel and spreadsheet tutorials are the core. 90% of her videos are screen recordings, cleanly walking through one function, one shortcut at a time. Average views run into the hundreds of thousands. The key, her audience is entirely office professionals. Advertisers are software companies like Microsoft and Notion, plus online course platforms, so the rate holds up well for a productivity channel. And the crucial point, this format is something anyone can replicate. Now the Korean market. Oppa Excel, 800,000 subscribers, the dominant number 1 among domestic Excel channels. Entirely faceless, screen recordings and narration only. Most videos are search-driven topics like remove duplicates in Excel or VLOOKUP error fix. So a single upload keeps accumulating views for years. More importantly, this channel doesn't rely on ad revenue alone. It expanded into Excel templates and paid courses. In the productivity category, a revenue model beyond ads attaches naturally. 3 reasons this blue ocean still gets views. First, the search demand is enormous. Office workers everywhere get stuck in Excel every single day, and every time, they turn to YouTube. The demand is a constant that never shrinks. Second, the audience is B2B professionals. These are people buying software and courses on the company's dime, so the ad rate runs higher than a general information channel. Third, it's evergreen. How to use a function is searched the exact same way 3 years later. One video keeps working, it becomes an asset. Together, these 3 create a true blue ocean where the only thing missing is creators. Here's the entry strategy. First, 1 problem per video. Not how to be good at Excel, go for tight, search intent keywords like how to compare 2 sheets in Excel. People search for problems, not courses. Second, go fully faceless. Screen recording and narration are all you need, and startup cost is near zero. Third, build templates from day one. Give away the Excel file from each video for free to grow subscribers, then funnel them into paid courses later. Fourth, go multilingual. An Excel function is the same in Korean, Japanese, or English. Keep the screen, swap only the narration, and your market triples. Final verdict. The Excel and productivity category earns AB+. CPM is $10 to $18, lower than insurance or finance, so it's not an A. But it's a blue ocean, the production difficulty is the lowest of any category, it's fully faceless, and the views come in reliably. On top of that, the videos become assets, and templates and courses add revenue beyond ads. Strip out the rate, and nearly every metric is top tier. This is the category I recommend most for anyone just starting on YouTube. Tap the cards on screen for the next one.